Hey there, guys. This is a third generation Lexus GS300. In the past, I was getting sporadic check engine light codes P0455 or P0457, and I would come out and make sure the gas cap is tight number of times, but the check engine light keeps coming back after driving, another 20, 30 miles or so. I inspected the gas cap, the rubber, the seal, the spring coil, they all look good visually. So I was wondering if the cap is actually going bad, but I think it is. I think it's actually leaking air. So uh, what I did was I went out and got a replacement aftermarket cap. I think I paid about 18 to $20. I got this from O'Reilly's. And this was done actually about 500 miles ago. And since then, I've not had any check engine light issues. So hope this works for you guys as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Take care.